Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.